Namaskaram everyone. Some of the details which I wanted to mention about maybe I'll be keep on posting some of the videos like this exclusively for you, where I cannot um, cover that in my normal classes because there are so many other factors which are responsible, where you may be not in a proper area where people will be speaking, or so much of noises may happen, or maybe from my side, maybe at times there are quite disturbances happening, or if the network is not allowing that to happen. So those all are the challenges where some of the um, pinpointed points which I wanted to mention about. So just wanted to see that if those things are reaching to you in a proper way, without any distortion, because whenever I am speaking, and then if for some reason if something comes up in the middle, and then I don't want that disruption to be happen. Today we'll speak something about the energy level. So I want you to observe, I want you to give a keen observation on this aspect, where like there are three, like coming back to the explanation, there are three types of energies in a human being, for that matter everybody, called as tamasic energy, sattvic and rajasic energy, right? So tam called as tamoguna, rajoguna and sattva. So tamasic state of energy is nothing but, you might have seen people who walk very slow, they are like kind of sluggish, or you might have seen within yourself you are quite lazy someday. So just because that particular energy is predominant in you on that particular day, for some of them it is more, so they fall under the tamasic kind of situation, and that energy. Rajasic energy is nothing but people who are like quite vibrant, they wanted things to be done fast, quick, they walk fast, they speak fast, they want the combination of the proper blend of these two energies called as sattvic energy, where from inside you are quite calm and settled, and from externally you are quite available to address the situations whichever is in front of you. Like you might have felt it, like after a long period of time you are seeing your loved one, your children's, or you might have visited some a beautiful hill station, seen a good sunset, right, or seeing a beautiful sunrise. So something like kind of within yourself you are quite contained, kind of happiness. So that's the state where everything beautiful happens. If what all any decisions that you take, a beautiful decision happens, a good decision happens, what I mean to say is. So the challenge here is that what I wanted to tell you is that try to observe yourself throughout the day, in what kind of energy is going inside of you, right? Are you just uh, pounding on somebody, like if you are on a higher level, like if suppose like you are elder in the home, and then at times we go on a negative state, right? So see that, just try to look within yourself. If suppose if I'm having a younger, if I'm having a son, or like if I'm having a younger brother of mine, uh, and then sometimes I just explode on him, for an example I'm saying. So see that whether are you really right on that area or not. So try to observe the energy, so that um, what I mean to say, just the examples I am giving. So try to observe that energy, the kind of energy that you are in. Are you from inside? Are you like kind of settled or not, right? And from externally, you are quite available to do the things. So whatever the state kind of energy that you are in, you will be moving more on that direction. So try to understand so try to maintain the sattvic kind of energy throughout the day. So whenever we after doing the yoga, you'll feel a kind of freshness. Maybe at times tiredness happens because if you do a little rigorous activity, though the aim of those things are quite different, but most of the time it is like this. When we, after the completion of pranayama, when we are into a when we get up, we are kind of in a state where we are that particular state is called as a sattvic state. So try to maintain that energy throughout the day. See that nothing that particular state, or you are not getting disturbed by the external situations, protecting yourself throughout the day. So that is what I wanted to emphasize on. Hopefully you will work on that area. Thank you very much.